You are watching the disaster news, and stay connected with us by subscribing to get next news. January 29, 2023. Strong winds and heavy rain caused flooding in many places on Oahu, Maui, Molokai, Lanai, Kahoolawe. Homes flooded in Kawla Gulch area. Temporary difficulties have arisen in business. The Maui Emergency Management Agency said the Kamehameha V Highway is still flooded in the Kawela and Kamalo areas. In some parts of the highway, the cars were almost submerged in the floodwater. Due to heavy rainfall and flooding on Moloka, transportation service to the island may be disrupted on January 28. Forecasters expect flash flooding on the northeast island in the next few hours as heavy rains continue to pound Molokai. A flash flood warning remains in effect for Molokai. Local residents have been urged to stay safe and alert during the bad weather. Winter weather on Oahu, Maui, Molokai, Lanai, Kahoolawe. Even on the Big Island is stormy, sometimes sunny, sometimes rainy, sometimes hot, sometimes cold. The people of the island live through such weather. If you like the video, then comments and stay connected with us by liking, sharing and subscribing to get the latest news. January 29, 2023. Video credit. Biden Asafelor, J.D. McMarket, Boomsha Kalaka, Beth Verge, Thomas Greenman, Chelsea Davis.